kindly to London smoke, now they're replacing it, piece by piece, with Clipsham stone quarried in Rutland.
Largest and most accurate clock.
Working on this clock will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. To actually have taken it all to pieces, putting it back together again, and then carry on looking after it for a few more years, that's just going to be fantastic.
This is London.
It should be E, the note E, but it does give it a slightly flat sound, a very serious sound in fact. No change to the bell whatsoever because it's become the familiar note.